If your Aglaonema leaves are drooping, it might mean they are not getting enough light or water. If they get too much sunlight, they might curl to protect themselves. Without enough light, they can start to wilt and look weak. If the leaves have yellow or brown edges, the soil is wet and they are drooping, it's probably because they are getting too much water. But if the leaves are dry and crispy and soil is dry, it's likely they are not getting enough water. There are various reasons, but improper watering and lack of light are the most common reasons behind drooping leaves. If the soil feels wet when you touch it, it might mean you are giving your Aglaonema plant too much water. Overwatering can lead to droopy leaves because the roots can't get enough oxygen, causing them to become weak. To help your plant recover, let the soil dry out before watering again. Make sure the pot has drainage holes so excess water can escape, and avoid watering on a strict schedule. Instead, water when the top inch of soil feels dry. This will help prevent overwatering and promote healthier growth for your plant. In spring and summer months, water them when 25% of the soil is dry. In winter, let the soil dry about 50%. To check soil moisture, use a chopstick, insert it into the soil and check if it feels wet or dry. When watering, do so thoroughly until water drains out from the bottom of the pot. This ensures that the roots receive proper moisture. You can also try bottom watering for better and even saturation. Take another pot or vase bigger than the plant's pot, fill it with water and put your plant pot into it for about 20 minutes, and you can also pour some water from the top for even saturation of the soil. This way, your plant will soak water comfortably. Don't water Aglaonema plant too frequently. They prefer slightly moist soil but can tolerate short periods of dryness. Consider factors such as temperature and humidity when determining watering frequency. Warmer temperatures and lower humidity levels may require more frequent watering. If the soil of your Aglaonema dries out completely by accident, you might notice the stems becoming limp or the leaves drooping and becoming crispy. In such case, it's important to give the plant a thorough soak if the soil throughout the pot is extremely dry. Now let's see if it needs more light or not. Drooping leaves can be a stress response. When a plant doesn't get the light it needs, it might start to conserve energy by reducing its leaf surface area, which can lead to drooping. Insufficient light can cause stems to become weak and unable to support the weight of the leaves, resulting in drooping. Light is like food for plants. Without enough, they can't make enough energy to stay strong and upright. So they droop. Light affects how much water plants use. Without enough light, they don't use water properly, and this can make their stems and leaves go weak and droopy. Aglaonema plants may shed leaves when they experience environmental stress, such as extreme temperatures, drafts, or direct sunlight. To help the plant recover, it's best to relocate it to a place with more favorable conditions. This could mean moving it to a shaded area away from drafty windows or vents, where it won't be exposed to harsh temperature fluctuations or strong drafts. By providing a more suitable environment, you can help the plant regain its health and reduce leaf dropping. When Aglaonema plants lack essential nutrients like nitrogen or potassium, their leaves may turn yellow and fall off. To fix this, you can fertilize the plant with either a balanced fertilizer or one designed to target the specific nutrient deficiency. And when Aglaonema plants are moved to a new pot or location, they might experience transplant shock. During this period, the plant may exhibit signs of stress such as leaf yellowing or drooping. To help the plant adjust, give it some time to adjust to its new environment, ensure it receives sufficient water and light, and monitor its condition closely until it has fully adapted to its new surroundings. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplants care videos.